our theater program here at Hatboro-Horsham, we run about 120 kids per production. As far as the speakers and the sound system and the importance of having quality programs within your program is that you don't want the kids to work so hard for months on a piece, and the staff and the amount of time and planning, and then you get to a live performance and the speakers, they're not there, or the sound isn't what it needs to be.
Clear Sound is a specialty boutique AV integration system. We specialize in a lot of church and school work. So if your school, theater, auditorium, boardroom, athletic field needs a sound or video upgrade, that's us.
The community loudspeakers really suit this space well. It is a great improvement about what was there before. We are underpowered, they were ill-aimed.
As you can see, we have an array here of 6 loudspeakers. 5 of them are the 5-degree vertical dispersion version, and the bottom one is a 15-degree vertical dispersion downfill. We went with the IV6 product because it has the correct coverage for the auditorium, and it was by far the most economic choice available.
Before Community and we had all of our Clear Sound speakers, we would have a lot of times where pieces would end up clipping due to the incorrect aiming of the previous speakers that were here. The sound now is much more crisp, you know, everything. It's 1,000% better.
Clear Sound was gracious enough to come out and work with us with the budget that we've had to really design something that is a superior experience.
I enjoyed designing and using Community loudspeakers because the engineering data that I get from Community is uniformly trustworthy. Unlike other manufacturers, Community's data is hard and fast, and I know that I can trust those results.